Now, your next one, we will see the picture and let's write the spelling, that is the word. So, what is your first picture over here that you can see, children? It is, yes, a duck. So now, shall we write the spelling for duck? Yes. D U C K. Now over here you can see C and K are together. Finished with duck. Your next picture. Yes, children, can you see the next picture? Yes, it's a lock. So shall we write the spelling for lock? Yes, L O C K. Yes, again C and K are together. Lock. What's your next picture? Yes, these are bricks. Alright. So what's the spelling for bricks? B R I C K, and you have your S over here. Yes, it's bricks. Again, C and K are together. Your next one. Can you see this picture? Yes, socks. S O C K. Okay, socks. What is this? Yes, clock. C L O C K. Clock. Now, here you can just see a white place. What is this? Yes, it's blank. Means nothing is there. It's blank. Now, B L A N, and it's only K, blank. Okay, so once again, duck, lock, brick, socks, clock, and blank. You also have some words here. Now we need to see whether we need to write C and K. Okay, whether C and K comes together. Now when we fill in these words, you will know if C and K is together or it's only C and only K. Anyway, all C and K, if it's together or only C and K, the sound is K. The first one we have B, A, and you have two dash. Okay, so shall we fill this word? Can you just guess a word with B, A, dash, dash? Yes, I've guessed a word. It's B, A. Now I'm writing C, K. And what's the word? Back. It's B, A, C, K. It is back. Now, next one. You have P, A, and two dashes. After A, two dashes. Now, what can be the word there? Again, if you fill it with C and K, what's the word? Right, it's pack. P, A, C, K. Pack. Now, Q, U, I, dash, dash. Now, if you fill in C and K, the word is quick. Now, B, A, C, K, back. P, A, C, K, pack. Q, U, I, C, K, quick. Now, here you have D, O, dash and dash. So, C, K, dock. It's D, O, C, K, dock. Next one, N, E, Now let's write C and K. Shall we see what's the word? Correct. It's neck. N-E-C-K, neck. Now S-H-O dash. We write C and K. It is shock. S-H-O-C-K, shock. So once again, D-O-C-K, dock. N-E-C-K, neck. The sound is K. S-H-O-C-K, shock. Here you have K-I. Now if I write C and K, your word is kick. K-I-C-K, kick. Next word, B-L-A and your dash. Now let's write C and K. You have B-L-A-C-K, black. Now S-T-R-U and your dash. Now I write C and K. It's S-T-R-U-C-K, truck. So can we go to these words once again? Back, pack, quick, dog, neck, shock, kick, black and struck. Now all these words are ending with C and K. So you have K near C and the sound is